Well, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. I got something new today I want to install in a Jeep, y'all, and it is the Carolina Metal Mashers Hill Killer Shifter. So, I have not read any instructions. I have not looked at any videos. I'm gonna raw dog it as usual and see how easy this dude is to install and function. Seems like a really cool tool to have. For the simple fact is, this front end gets light on you every once in a while, and you want to be able to slam it back into reverse and get the tension off that back axle, so maybe you don't roll her over. Anyways, I'm gonna put it in the Jeep. It really should only be like a, I don't know, a 10-minute install, and I've been waiting on this product. So it's kind of expensive, which all good parts usually are. It's made in the USA. It's machined out of billet aluminum. It's heavy. Let's get the installing, shall we? Okay, y'all, let's see what we got. I'm gonna knock this door off, or at least the harness, and get it out of my way. I'm gonna layer on back. Make it simple, right? Okay. So, just grab up on this plastic piece, get some of this stuff out the way, trying to break nothing, and just pull up. There we go, look at there. Guys, if you don't have one of these, get one. You're gonna need it eventually. There we go. Now, if I'm not mistaken, right up under here is a bolt. Or a nut or a screw somewhere on here. There it is. So a T25, and they actually supply you with one, but it's for one that goes for like a drill driver. And I just figured I don't want to use my drill driver. I'm gonna use this socket. Know what I'm saying? Pull that bad boy all the way out. Soon we're going to reuse this for the new one. There we go. There that little failure is. Looks like it had a little Loctite on it. Put that right there. And this dude just comes on up. And there's two wiring harnesses here that you need to disconnect. The one for the little light, if you have a little light, which I think they all do actually, for the cup holder area, and one up here that is for the shifter selector, and then this whole thing will come off. Okay, y'all, looks like to me on the back side of this bad boy are a couple of press pins on each side. So that, I'm going to push those in, and that should release this little boot off of this shifter. You can see it's almost like it's keyed in, right? So I'm going to push those two in, pull out the shifter. Okay, so now we're going to hook up our two lights. One here. This is for your gear shift indicator, like I said earlier. Got that one. Let's get this one. Okay, let's see if she'll just slide on there. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to tighten up that screw the rest of the way and set this bad boy in place. There we go. That's tight right there. Okay. That sucker ain't going nowhere. Well, let's test her out, shall we? And that dude's back on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to put y'all over here in this seat, and then we're going to try it out. Let's try her out, shall we? This is the standard mode. You can use this, yeah.
Everyone from the world.
Okay, so this is in standard mode, right? You can slap it, it'll go to neutral, which is great. It gets the load off the rear. But if you need to hit that reverse in fast motion, it won't allow it, right? So let's put it in DNR. Oh, look at there, it goes straight to reverse. So drive, straight to reverse. That's what's up. That's actually super freaking cool. And it doesn't allow you to hit park. So, hell yeah. As advertised, it's got that hill killer. There it is. It's in DNR. So we're currently in drive. You see it here. And then this will allow you, you get a sketchy situation, you need to get out of it pretty quick. Straight to reverse. Boom. Drive. Straight from drive to reverse. Hell yeah. And won't allow you to go into park. So, take it back to standard mode. It just allows you to go to neutral. Which I ain't gonna lie, guys, sometimes that'll get you out of the bind you are in. But if you need to hit neutral and go to reverse to really get out of that predicament, it's there. Right here, boys. Check it out. DNR. Boom. Straight to reverse. That's what's up. So yeah, that's killer, y'all. Very, very cool. I liked all that. Okay, so I'm gonna put her on back into standard because we don't want to hit this going down the damn highway and go into reverse, right? So that's it, guys. That's the Carolina Metal Mashers Hill Killer shifter. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have one, let me know. If you've used it, if you had a predicament where you had to use it, I want to hear that. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the flip. That was a quick, short video. Y'all be good. Tell your mom and them. Peace.